Hi, it's me, Pam Vinay, and I received another box from Grabie. It's a monthly box that they have so graciously sent to me. We'll check this one out. I just want to say, too, that we just got back from Florida, so we're back in Michigan now, made it safe and sound. Been here a little bit, but yeah, it's a little bit cool. You know, after you've been in Florida, it takes a while to adapt. But yeah. Anyway, this one is the Mystic Realm, and this is a Grabie scrapbook club box, and I'll put all the information in the description. We're going to get the Mystic Realm Collage Activity Book. You'll get the Philosopher Wheels coaster, Midnight Musings Quill and Star envelope pack of 2, 4 sheets of quill. It's covering it, but we'll check it out. And then you're going to have Celestial Archives foil stamped vellum pack. So let's check it out. They always send it in a really nice box. And it tells a little bit about what's in it. Really pretty purple paper. Okay. Let's see what we have. We have this coaster, thick coaster. It's got sparkly. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Look how that floats. Huh, very unique coaster. We're going to have some vellum with the world. Oh, wow, look how pretty that is with the gold and the feathers. Oh, it's a thick envelope and a card. Or 2 envelopes. Very pretty. And then you have all these vellum that you could make a card with or add to your journal. There's 2 of those. 2 of these. So we have various with a gold foiling. Very pretty. Then we have a stick-up book and a pen. Looks like a white, is it a white pen? Oh, I think, oh yeah, it's one of these where you can cut with. It has a blade to it, so you can cut things out. So it's 200 plus pages of paper and sticker goodies. There's a collectible gift in the back. Okay, let's check it out. Oops, there's glare here. Oops, there we go. And these all can be torn out. Look at that. Pantheon. And look at the stars. Invite you into the company of the immortals. Here are the 12 Olympian figures. There's the cathedral here. Zeus. Oh, look how pretty that is. Apollo, Athena. This would be pretty in an art journal. And the beautiful frames, the pictures. I'll bring it down just a little. Very nice paper. And the frames are stickers, I think. Yeah. Look at that paper. Beautiful frames. Flowers I like. Got some angels. We have Jesus here. More angels. Little circles could be tabs. That's pretty. Some more beautiful images. And this flips out, I think. Oh, no, it doesn't. That's pretty. There's more stickers. Look at that, it's pretty. And all these cutouts you can use. That's beautiful. Yeah, all of these can be, I think they're stickers. Very nice quality paper. Frames that punch out easily. Got some beautiful columns. So you can make a real fancy journal with these. Beautiful plates. Labels with gold foiling. Gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that one. Looks like a book plate almost. Very nice paper. It's got a pulpy feel to it. How beautiful she is. Celestial sphere where stars align. Oh, we could cut all these out. I think these are stars. This flips out. So if you wanted to do a celestial stars and moon journal. Oh, look at this vellum. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Very pretty. The arcane deck where fate speaks. I'm playing cards there. Tarot cards. I don't believe in tarot cards, so I wouldn't be doing anything with this. Some people do. Not my thing. Got some swords, so you could do some King Arthur. Some branches, and look at the old coins. Got some words. Vintage goblets. Yeah, I would not be doing any of this here. Me personally. And then you have a beautiful bookmark, a magnetic bookmark, which is your free gift. So that's the Mystic Realm. So there are things for everybody. You can check out their website, and I'll put all the links there. They're very nice quality papers. How pretty that is. Very beautiful. Look at those frames. Just see how easy they are to punch out. And the center punches out too. So that would be really pretty in a vintage journal for sure. So thanks so much, Grabie, for thinking of me. And I appreciate it. And Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.